Patients should visit the dentist at least twice a year for a checkup and cleaning. These last couple years, we had a lot of patients get off track from a little thing called COVID. So patients that were once coming twice a year were now really overdue. I have one patient in particular that comes to mind. They were really good coming twice a year, like clockwork, and then I didn't see this patient for almost 3 years. When that patient came back after 3 years, number one, he was really happy to see me, but number two, his gums were a hot mess. So he really saw the difference between coming twice a year and then waiting 3 years. Unfortunately, there was a little bit more discomfort involved in that cleaning 3 years later. There was more bleeding, and he really saw the difference in how it felt when he was there. It was really significant, so I was really happy to help him get back onto the road to recovery.